In today's video, I am going to show you a very simple strategy that you can use to start driving targeted traffic to your content lockers using the gaming niche. All right. And you can do the same exact process for CPA Grip, for OG Ads, CPA Build, or whatever CPA network you're working with. As you can see right here, you can create a content locker on CPA Grip, and I'm going to show you how to monetize the content locker on CPA Grip promoting game niche. All right. You can also do the same on CPA Build as well. All right. So I'm going to show you how to do everything right in this video. And also, if you are watching this channel for the first time, I make videos about how to make money online, specifically CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. And if you like this type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other awesome videos as well. All right. And also make sure to check the first link in the description. It's going to bring you to this page right here where you can enroll for this course, where you can learn literally everything you need to start making passive income online with CPA marketing. So without wasting any more time, let's get on with today's video. All right, so like I said, I'm going to show you how to do everything in this video, and I'm going to be taking CPA Grip as an example. All right, all you need to do is go to cpagrip.com and you will be able to create an account. All right, so now you want to click on this create new content locker, and you want to click on this I agree, and you want to click on continue. So before you proceed to creating a content locker, you want to head over to YouTube. So once you come over to YouTube, you want to create a YouTube account if you don't have an account on YouTube already. So I am not going to walk you through that process because creating a YouTube account is very easy and simple. So all you just need to do once you've created your account, you want to come to this explore section. So once you come over to this explore section, you want to go to this section that says gaming. All right. So once you come over to this gaming section, you are going to see a ton of games that you can start driving traffic to. And I promise you, if you stick to the end of this video, I am going to show you how to make easy money with the gaming niche. All right. So you can click on this view all, or you can click on this button right here, and you are going to see various games that you can work with. But for the sake of this video, I am going to be taking PUBG as an example, but you can definitely replicate this same process with other games right here. All right. You can see I can keep on scrolling, and if I click on view all, you can see right here there are a lot of games for me to choose from. All right, you can keep scrolling. So there are a lot of games right here. Okay, so I'm going to go back and click on this PUBG as an example. So once you click on this PUBG, you are going to see that there are a lot of live videos on PUBG. So the method that I am going to show you, you can replicate it with an existing video, but the best is going with these live videos. So you want to click on this live section, and as you can see right here, there are a lot of people who are streaming PUBG right now. You can see a lot of people are watching this live stream. You can see this one right here. Over 1,000 people are watching this streamer right here. Okay. All right. So what you want to do from here, you want to basically click on the video. You want to make sure the video is for PUBG. All right. So as you can see right here, PUBG mobile live stream. So you're going to click on the video. All right, so I'm just going to pause this video right now. So once you've done this, the next thing you want to do from here, like I said, you can see over 1,000 people are watching this live stream. And don't worry, you may be confused right now. I promise in a moment, everything will be crystal clear. So what you want to do from here, you want to click on this share button, and you want to copy the link to this YouTube video. So once you've copied this link, you want to go back to your CPA Grip account. Now I am going to show you exactly what you need to do once you are in your content locker section. You want to make sure you come to the URL file lockers. Okay, so once you've done that, you want to click on this section that says template. Okay, so once you do that, you can see right here CPA Grip has added a brand new template that you can use. This template is not here before. All right, so you want to click on this template right here, because this literally means this template is absolutely new and most people have not seen this template. So what you want to do from here after selecting this template, all right, so if I click on this I'm not a robot, you can see it's going to display content lockers right here. And also you can preview what it's going to look like on either mobile or on desktop. So you can see this is what the content locker is going to look like on a mobile phone. So if I click on this, you can see a bunch of offers pop up, and once your traffic completes this offer, you make money. It's that simple. So like I said, once you come over and you've chosen this template, you want to go to the general section, and also you want to always organize yourself by giving the content locker a name depending on whatever niche you are working with. All right, and also you want to leave this I am not a robot the way it is. And for this logged URL, this is where you are going to be pasting the link to the YouTube video. So once you've pasted the link to this YouTube video right here, you are almost done. You want to scroll down to this button which says after completion this resource will be unlocked. So you want to change it to this video will be unlocked. All right, since we are locking a video, so it only makes sense to change the resources to videos to video. So once you've done this, the next step that I always recommend, you want to create a landing page for your content locker. It's super important that you do this if you don't want your link to get banned. So you want to go over and you can use any builder of your choice. All right, there are so many builders out there you can use. There are free ones and there are paid ones as well. All right, so the one you want to use, I'll leave it up to you to decide. So basically I'm going to be taking Breezy.io as an example. It's absolutely free to use, although they have paid features as well, but you can get started with the free one. So once you have your account created, you can see right here you will be able to create a landing page like this one. As you can see, I just made it very simple right here. Okay, you can see this PUBG right here. PUBG is live master or survivor secret god mode. Okay, this is basically to increase people's curiosity and make them want to click on the link to check out what they can get from this live video. All right, so the next thing you want to do from here, you want to basically go back to the content locker. So once you come over to the content locker right here, so I'm going to change this back to desktop. As you can see right here, you can even make a little custom change to the background of this content locker. So basically what you want to do is you want to go over to this style section. So basically you want to grab the image, all right, the image on your landing page like this one right here. All right, so basically you want to copy the image address by right clicking and click on copy image address. And then you want to go back to your content locker right here. Okay, and you want to paste in that link right here, and you want to create a bracket. All right, and you want to type in URL. All right, so I'm just going to refresh this page now. As you can see, after refreshing this page, you can see now we have an image of the PUBG in the background. So I'm going to show what it looks like on desktop. As you can see right here, if you do this, it's going to absolutely increase your conversion because people know this content locker is related to this landing page right here, and it's going to increase people converting on your content locker. All right, so this is not really necessary, but you can do this if you want. So like I said, all you just need to do is you want to type in URL, you want to copy the image address, and you want to paste it in the style section. So I am just going to take it out right now. All right, like I said, it's not necessary. Okay, so I'm going to refresh again. All right, you can see now it's back to default. So whichever one you use is absolutely fine. So once you're done, all you just need to do is click on save. So once you click on save, you want to come over here and click on get links, and you want to come over and choose any of these domain right here. But I recommend you go with this freezefolders.com. all right, so you can customize it by giving it a name related to whatever niche you want, but this is not really necessary since we are using a landing page. So all you want to do from here is copy the link, and you want to go back to your landing page, and you want to change the link in, you want to paste the link in this click here button, and you want to paste in your content locker link right there. and then you want to click on publish page. So once you do that, you want to basically go back to the dashboard. All right, so once you go back to the dashboard, it's very simple. All you just need to do, you can see right here, Breezy gave it a generic name, so you are just going to click on it. So if you have the paid plan, you can definitely choose a custom. You can use a custom domain if you want, but if you're on the free plan, then all you can do is just type in any name that's available. So I'm just going to type in PUBG Live. All right, so I'm just going to click on submit. Okay, that domain name is available. So if I click on this, all right, as you can see right here, this is the landing page. Very simple, short and straight to the point. Once they come over to this page right here and click on this button right here, it's going to take them to the content locker. All right, as you can see, this is the content locker right here. And once they click on this, I'm not a robot, they will be shown with CPA offers. And if they complete these offers, you make money in your CPA Grip account. All right, so basically this is how easy it is to set up a content locker and a landing page. Now the next part is driving traffic to this landing page right here, and it's very simple. I'm not going to be sharing you one website. I'm actually going to be giving you two websites that you can absolutely drive free targeted traffic from to your content locker or to your landing page. All right, so the first one is steamcommunity.com. So basically this is a gaming forum where people talk about various games. So this is definitely one of the best places that you can come over and drive traffic to this game niche. All right, as you can see right here, there are a lot of games that is being discussed on this forum right here. So basically what you want to do is very simple. All you need to do is click on this join Steam to create an account. So once you have your account created on Steam, you can come over to the discussion section and you can talk about PUBG and you can redirect people to your landing page that you made right here. Okay, so basically people who are interested in PUBG would be interested in survival secrets in the game. All right, so the second website that I'm going to be showing you is moot.us. All right, so basically this is another forum as well. There are a lot of games right here. As you can see, these are various games right here. So the same thing, you want to join this platform and you want to go to the discussion section and recommend this video right here to people who are interested in that niche. All right, so once they come over to the landing page and click on this button right here, they have to complete CPA offers before they can get access to watch the video. All right, so basically you are going to repeat this process for as many games as you can, and I promise you, if you keep at it and stay consistent, you will definitely make money because this method is absolutely new and is unsaturated. So if you come over to similarweb.com, you can see Steam gets over 100 million visits every single month. As you can see, majority of its traffic is from tier 1 countries, and basically this is how you can start making easy money with the game niche. All right, nobody is absolutely doing this method right now, so I guarantee that if you start taking action after this video, you will definitely make money promoting CPA content lockers on this platform. And like I said, if you want a strategy that you can use to learn to earn passive income online, then make sure to check the first link in the description. And that brings us to the end of today's video. And if you find any value, please leave a like on this video, and if you have any questions, drop them down in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.